Learn how to control always on display on your Samsung Galaxy phone, allowing you to customize when and how your screen shows time, notifications, and other key information even while the device is locked. To begin, open the settings page. This is where all system level controls are managed. Next, scroll down and tap on lock screen. On some newer models, this may appear as lock screen and AOD depending on your software version. Inside the lock screen menu, look for always on display and toggle the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your phone will show useful information like time, date, battery status, and notifications even when the screen is off. After turning it on, tap When to Show to customize how AOD behaves. You will see several options. Tap to Show. This mode activates AOD only for about 10 seconds when you tap the screen. It is useful for saving battery while still checking information quickly. Show Always. This keeps always on display active continuously whenever your screen is off. It is the most convenient option but may use slightly more battery. Show as scheduled. This option allows you to set a specific time range, such as 900 AM to 1100 PM, so AOD only works during your preferred hours. Show for new notifications. This mode only turns on AOD when you receive a new alert, making it a smart battery-saving option. Keep in mind that AOD will automatically turn off when power-saving mode is enabled to conserve energy. These settings are part of the customization features provided by Samsung Electronics on its Galaxy devices, allowing users to balance convenience and battery performance based on personal preference.